Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series X Vertical Pro Guide step by step clearly. To set up your Xbox Series X in a vertical position, start by gathering all necessary components. Ensure you have the console, power cable, HDMI cable, and your TV or monitor ready. Begin by placing the console on a flat and stable surface. Locate the vertical stand that comes with your Xbox Series X. If your console doesn't come with a stand, you can purchase one separately. To attach the stand, flip the console upside down. Align the stand's clips with the grooves on the console. Gently press down until the stand firmly snaps into place. Now, with the console upright, ensure it's positioned away from any heat sources. Maintain sufficient space around the console to allow for proper ventilation. Next, connect the power cable to the back of the console. Plug the other end of the power cable into a wall outlet. Take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI port on the back of your console. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Press the Xbox button on your console to turn it on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your console. If you have an existing Xbox Live account, sign in with your credentials. If you're new, create a new account by following the prompts. After successful login, configure your preferences and network settings. Once setup is complete, insert a game disc or access the digital library to start gaming. Ensure the console remains in an upright position during use for optimal performance. Check for any software updates and install them if necessary. Now you're ready to enjoy your Xbox Series X in its vertical setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.